5 plant-based comfort foods. Real food, better energy. Wait for number 5. Low-glucose pizza. Most people hear plant protein and think boring food, dry salad, fake meat, food that feels like punishment. But that is not what we do. Today, I'm showing you 5 comfort foods from around the world that help you feel full, enjoy real food, and avoid that heavy sugar crash. And stay until number 5, because number 5 is the one most people do not expect. Number 5 will totally surprise you. A low-glucose mini pizza system that gives you comfort, flexibility, and flavor without building the whole meal around regular white flour. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe, share it, and leave a comment. That is how you support this project. Our goal is to get this information in front of more people, not sell you a digital recipe book full of recycled ideas. Most of what we offer is free. At Eat Well with Charlie, we call visitors guests, not customers. You are not coming to the website to be sold supplements, miracle cures, vitamins, or anything like that. With us, you get what we say, just great food, and how bad food affects you in the short and long term. Recipes, PDFs, and Mike and Mindy's nutritional overviews that explain why a recipe works in plain English. I am not a doctor, I am a cook. If you have a serious health condition, please work with your doctor. We do not know your medical history, and we do not make medical claims. What we do is simple. We study how ingredients affect the body and rebuild comfort food to support better choices. That is Charlie's way. We do not throw away culture. We do not shame comfort food. We fix the ingredients that are causing the damage. Now let's start with number 1. Number 1 is the Brazilian black bean. This proves healthy eating does not have to look expensive or complicated. Black beans combine plant protein and fiber. That matters because many people eat a meal, then 2 hours later they are tired and hungry. That is the crash pattern. Beans help change that pattern because they digest more slowly and help you feel full longer. This is real food doing its job. Charlie's way means we do not build the plate around empty starch. We build it around food that gives protein, fiber, flavor, and satisfaction. On the website, recipes like this can also include Mike and Mindy's nutritional overviews, where they explain the food science in plain English. Number 2 is Indian Masoor dal. This is one of the best examples of plant protein comfort food because lentils are simple but powerful. Red lentils cook quickly. They become creamy without heavy cream. They carry spices beautifully and bring that combination again, protein plus fiber. Most people fail because they get hungry, tired, and frustrated. Dal gives warmth, comfort, and satisfaction. Food has to be realistic. If this information helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. The more people interact, the more people get to see these videos. That matters. Number 3 is Lebanese mujadara. This dish is special because it reminds us that some of the smartest comfort foods are old foods, humble and simple. Mujadara is built around lentils, onions, and a grain-style base. Many traditional foods are already good for us. The problem starts when modern food changes the balance. So we do not destroy the dish, we protect it. We keep the soul of the recipe but improve how it behaves in the body. That is the difference. Now notice the pattern. Beans, lentils, onions, spices. Real ingredients. These are not random recipes. They are a better system for sustained satisfaction. On eatwellwithcharlie.com, you can search by ingredient, country, or health goal. Blood sugar, gut health, heart support. We cover 8 health goals. The recipes and educational PDFs are free. Currently, we have 119 educational PDFs. I remember someone offering a free PDF, but when I went to their site, I was told I had to buy a book to get it. You can be sure that I will never say or do that type of BS. Number 4 is Russian buckwheat and mushroom kasha. This one matters because many people think comfort food has to be white rice, pasta, or white bread. Buckwheat is not wheat. It has a deep nutty flavor, a satisfying texture, and it works beautifully with mushrooms. It tastes like real food and nourishes you. I have watched food affect people my whole life. Myself, my family, my parents. Food choices don't always show the damage in one day, but over the years they matter. Buckwheat is a smarter path. My dad loved buckwheat, and among other foods that my mom would never eat. Yet my dad had 26 years longer and healthier life. My mom has spent half of her life in doctor's offices or hospitals. Now we are at number 5, the one I wanted you to wait for. Most people do not expect pizza to belong in a low glycemic conversation. But what if we rebuild the dough? Number 5 is the low glucose dough system, pizza base. It changes what people think is possible. You don't have to give up pizza completely. You just rebuild the part that causes the problem. We incorporate ingredients such as chickpea, lentil, and almond flours to alter the structure and reduce the glycemic impact. It's flexible, portion-friendly, and family-friendly. Each person can choose the toppings they actually like: mushrooms, chicken, and vegetables. Pizza did not become magic. We simply fixed the damage while keeping the joy. On our website, you are a guest. Many places try to sell you a $50 recipe book, but our recipes, PDFs, and Mike and Mindy's nutritional explanations are free. There is also a free 3-day meal planning. Feel free to use it over and over, no charge. If you want longer planning, like a full month, there is a small optional cost to help to support the tool, but you will also get a shopping list creator that will save you time and money, worth around $2. My mission is simple: help people eat better without being tricked, pressured, or sold fake promises. Supporting this is as easy as liking and subscribing. I personally read every comment. One guest asked for better mac and cheese. In less than 24 hours, I built a no-sugar crash version. Your comments matter here. They drive what we rebuild next. So let's bring it together. Beans for fiber, dal for creamy protein, mujadara for old world balance, buckwheat for smarter comfort, and mini pizza for the win. Healthy food should not mean losing your culture of comfort. It means learning how food works, then rebuilding it better. Start today and let the meal prove itself. Visit eatwellwithcharlie.com for free PDFs and recipes. Leave me a comment. What comfort food should we rebuild next? Your idea may be next. I'm Charlie, and this is my way.